Hello everyone, thank you for purchasing my new Premiere Pro template, and to install a majority file, please go to Essential Graphics panel, click here and find this project file folder and click open. After that you search for Tufi and you will find the logo reveal. So put it on our timeline. Then to edit the logo, click here, replace from Finder or from Explorer in the Windows. Then search for your logo. For example, it will be, for me, I don't know, maybe this one. Okay, click open, and it's too big, so I double click here, and now I can change the size, change the position if I need, and close to get back. It's a little bit small, so I once again double click, make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So you have also two controls here. Brightness, it's if your logo is too dark as mine, so I can make it brighter. And black and white checkbox, if I check it off, I bring back the colors from the logo. If I check it in, it became black and white. So just very simple two controls. That is everything, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me through my profile page here. Thank you once again, and goodbye.